Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and access. Park level, chalk the front, and lift the rear on the designated pinch weld. Once up, place sturdy jack stands and remove the rear wheel so you can see the shock top inside the boot and the lower bolt at the hub. Make sure to support the axle with a small jack or wood block under the spring perch so the suspension doesn't drop suddenly while you unbolt hardware and proceed. You now focus on separating the shock. First, slightly loosen the top nut inside the boot so it won't spin, then support the shock body while you remove the lower bolt at the hub. Once the lower fastener is out, pivot the shock free and pull it down out of the top mount, taking care with any brake line clips or ABS sensor brackets. Before fitting the new unit, compare bushings, eye spacing, and overall length so the replacement sits flush and functions. You install the new shock by lifting it into the top mount, threading the top nut by hand to hold it, then aligning and inserting the lower bolt with its washer. Once both fasteners are hand-started, lower the axle slightly so the shock sits naturally and torque top and bottom to the manufacturer's specs. After reinstalling the wheel and lowering the car, drive slowly to confirm ride and noise. If you hear knocks, check that top nut and lower bolt are.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.